Studios Christmas version. LTASC, we are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8, let's get going! Some sounds are short, which is Raya's burping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Omarashi's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are super long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Untold Loneliness Oswald? Are you okay in there?
Yes. Just give me a second. Pudding makes my tummy feel really good. You know, using my tummy muscles while pudding reminds me of an egg coming out of a bird's cloaca.
Hello guys, it's me, Kiki. I'm Leslia. I'm Untold Loneliness Oswald's best friend.
I'm Rebecca. I'm always just wanted to have Christmas songs.
I'm Cecilia.
And I'm Untold Loneliness Oswald.
And this is the Season 7 finale of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series.
And our room is decorated for Christmas because Christmas is coming up very soon.
In this episode, we are going to preview the burping sound effect from Raya. But this time, with Christmas music on. Cue the music, please.
We're going to preview the burping sound effect from Raya.
It's from a video called Gachabur Young.
It was uploaded on August 4th, 2024, which was 1 year ago.
The duration of the sound effect is 008 to 009. The total seconds are 1, making it the shortest sound effect in the world.
The low theme music will be removed at the beginning and end.
Let's preview this sound effect. Previewing the sound effect in 3, 2, 1.
See? We told you that the sound effect would sound like.
Right you are, Untold Loneliness Oswald. Not to mention that Season 8 is coming up, so we'll have to say goodbye to Season 7 and hello to Season 8.
This sound effect is only used for IRL Noelzo season characters when they burp.
I'll give you a burp.
Cecilia!
Oops, my bad, sorry.